McDonald's Ice Cream Mega Factory, how millions of treats are perfected with cutting-edge technology. Dive into the fascinating world of McDonald's Ice Cream Mega Factories, where advanced technology and precision come together to create millions of creamy, indulgent treats. From the classic soft-serve cones to iconic McFlurries, these factories are dedicated to ensuring the consistent quality and flavor that McDonald's is known for. The journey begins with high-quality ingredients blended with precision using state-of-the-art machinery. These specialized machines are designed to maintain the perfect balance of temperature and texture, ensuring every batch achieves a signature, smooth and creamy consistency. Sophisticated automation oversees every step, from mixing to freezing, while stringent quality checks guarantee perfection in every scoop. Sustainability is also at the heart of the process, with factories incorporating energy-efficient systems and waste reduction initiatives to minimize their environmental impact. Whether it's a swirl of classic vanilla or a McFlurry loaded with mix-ins, McDonald's ice cream factories exemplify